60 seconds thoughtful moment with me, Peter Beckenham. Look at your body language. Body language says a lot about a person. And you may not realize it, but we're all fluent in body language. We all use it, whether you know it or not. Whenever we interact with other people, we pick up mannerisms and gestures, things as overt as an eye roll and as subtle as a weird posture. These mannerisms function as signals, and they can work for you and they can work against you. When it comes to confidence, body language is key. You can't hide it from anybody. The way you portray yourself to others will eventually become the way you think of yourself. So if you're not giving off body language that screams, I'm confident and I'm happy with who I am, then guess what? Eventually you will believe that as well, that you're not confident and you don't feel good about yourself. Start with your posture. Stand up taller, keep your chin up, and walk with poise and conviction. Then start paying attention to your gestures and the way you stand. Is it inviting? Are you being defensive? Does it say that you're happy with who you are? As you continue to work on different elements of your body language, start to key in on how it affects your confidence. I can tell you, you'll be happy with the results. Now let me help you with your sales confidence. Use the link you can see on the screen there, peterbeckenham.com/discovery, for a complimentary laser-focused coaching call to sort out your #1 sales challenge.